Welcome back to our channel. This is Ravi Gupta. In previous session, 1A and 1B and 2A also discussed. Today we are going to 2B topic also, 2B exercise also. This is the most important topic, indefinite integration. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చాలామంది చాలా టఫ్ అనుకుంటారు ఇన్ 2Bలో. 2B అసలు పాస్ అవ్వడం కష్టం అనుకుంటారు, బట్ దట్ ఈస్ రాంగ్ మెథడ్. 2B ఈజ్ ఆల్సో వెరీ ఈజియెస్ట్ సబ్జెక్ట్. 2B ఈజ్ ఆల్సో వెరీ ఈజియెస్ట్ సబ్జెక్ట్. ఓకే, ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో వెరీ ఈజీ. ఓకే, ఇందులో మనకి రిడక్షన్ ఫార్ములాస్ ఉంటాయి, కంపల్సరీగా రిడక్షన్ ఫార్ములాస్. 6 reduction formulas, but in these 6, 4 is most important. In 4, sin and cos and tan and cot, ఈ 4 ఇంట్లో 80% మనకి పబ్లిక్లో వస్తుంది. ఇన్ కేస్ రిమైనింగ్ 20% secant and cosecant. But this is 6 reduction formulas, but 3 plus 3 నేర్చుకున్నట్లయితే సేమ్ యాజ్ రిమైనింగ్ 3. sin cos is same, a small difference, and tan cot is also same, a small difference. secant and cosecant is also same, a small difference. ఓకే, మనము sin tan secant నేర్చినట్లయితే కాస్ కాట్ కొసికంట్ అనేవి మనకి ఆల్రెడీ వచ్చేస్తాయి. ఓకే అండి, సో మనం సైన్ టాన్ సీకెంట్ అనేది మనము వీడియోలో చేద్దాం. సేమ్ రిమైనింగ్ కూడా ఏం చేయాలి, డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి అనేది కూడా నేను చెప్పేస్తాను మీకు. ఓకేనండి, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ రిడక్షన్ ఫార్ములా ఫర్ sin power nx dx n greater than or equal to 2 and find sin power 4x dx. అసలు రిడక్షన్ ఫార్ములాస్ ఎందుకు వచ్చాయి అని అంటే, ఇన్ కేస్ ఫార్ములాస్ మీరు చదివారు ఆల్రెడీ. ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఫార్ములాస్ sin x dx ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ కాస్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ సి. దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా ఆఫ్ sin x. sin x dx ఈక్వల్ టు integration is the reverse process of differentiation. So d by dx of sin x equals to cos x. Okay, already learned in 1B differentiation topic. d by dx of cos x equal to minus sin x. So integral on both sides, derivative integral is cancelled. So cos x dx, integral of cos x is sin x, and taking integral on both sides, derivative and integral is cancelled. Sin x integral minus cos x, sin x dx integral minus cos x. That is the difference between differentiation and integral. Derivative of sin x equals to cos x. Integral of sin x equal minus cos x. Derivative of cos x equals to minus sin x. Integral of cos x equals to sin x. Okay, these 2 points observe. And integration by parts, the formula of integration by parts, integral f of x g of x dx, integral f of x g of x dx equals to f of x integral g of x dx minus integral f dash of x integral g of x dx whole dx. This is the integration by parts formula. Integral f of x g of x dx equals to first term f of x, integral of the second term minus integral of derivative of f of x, dash means derivative, dash means derivative, derivative of f of x, and integral of second term, okay, final result, and also again integral. This is the integration by parts. F of x second term integral minus integral of first term derivative, second term integral, and result final integral. That is the integral by parts. Next, prove this theorem in easiest method. First of all, can take in equal to integral sin power nx dx, sin power nx dx. Okay, integral sin x equal to minus cos x. In case integral sin square x dx equals to, how to solve sin square x? The formula of sin square x equals to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Next, integral in each and every term. In case sin cube x dx, sin cube x dx, okay, what is the formula of sin 3x? Equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Sin cube x equals to 3 sin x minus sin 3x by 4. This is the formula of sin cube x. Applying sin cube x and taking integral each and every term. In case sin power 4x, sin power 4x can be written as sin square x whole square. Formula of sin square x equal 1 minus cos 2x by 2. 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Again square and integral. Again square and integral. ఇలా మనకి పవర్ అనేది ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతున్న కొలది మనకు కాంప్లికేటెడ్ అనేది ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. సో సైన్ స్క్వేర్, సైన్ క్యూబ్, సైన్ పవర్ 4, నెక్స్ట్ సైన్ పవర్ 5, అలా మనకి సైన్ పవర్ 5 అలాగ మనకు పవర్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతున్న కొలది మనకు కాంప్లికేటెడ్ అయిపోతుంది. బట్ ఇన్ దిస్ reduction formulas we get the answer sin power anything, okay, sin power 10 also we can find easily by using reduction formulas. That is the use of these formulas. Okay, next, proof of this theorem. In equal to integral sin power nx ds. Sin power n can be written as n minus 1 plus 1. N can be written as adding 1 and subtraction 1. Okay, if in case these two are cancelled, then n remaining term. Okay, so n can be written as n minus 1 plus 1. Okay, in case base is anything sin, so sin power n minus 1 into x and sin x. Why we are writing this term? This sin x is the base of this term. Sin x is the base of this term. If in case base are equal, in product powers are add. Okay, in this term base are equal, in these two terms are product, powers are add. So sin x is the base is equal, these two terms are product, so powers are add, n minus 1 plus 1, this is n minus 1, there is no power, I mean 1, so minus 1 plus 1 is cancelled, sin power nx. So sin power nx can be written in this term, sin power n minus 1 into x and sin x. Okay, this is the first term, f of x. This is f of x, this is g of x. F of x equals to sin power n minus 1 into x, g of x equals to sin x. Okay, next, integration by parts formula. Integral f of x g of x dx equals to, since already we know that integration by parts, f of x first term f of x integral of second term g of x dx minus integral of derivative of first term and integral of second term and overall integral dx. This is the integral by parts formula. By using this formula, can apply these two values. F of x equals to sin power n minus 1 into x. F of x equals to sin power n minus 1 into x. Integral of g of x means sin x dx minus integral f dash of x, dash means derivative, the derivative of f of x d by dx of sin power n minus 1 into x. Okay, next integral of g of x means sin x dx overall dx. Okay, the formula of sin x equal to minus cos x. Integral of sin x equals to minus cos x. So sin power n minus 1 into x into minus cos x minus derivative of sin power n minus 1 into x. This is the formula of d by dx of x power of n. D by dx of x power of n. The formula of x power of n equals to n into x power of n minus 1. Derivative of x power of n equal to n into x power of n minus 1. So derivative of sin power n minus 1 into x. This is comparing with replace x by sin x and n by n minus 1. Can apply this formula. n place లో మనకి n minus 1 and x place లో sin x power n minus 1. n means n minus 1, already minus 1. So n minus 1 minus 1. In this derivative sin x can be in term of x. Okay, sin x ని మనం x అనుకున్నాం కాబట్టి again derivative of sin x. The derivative of sin x equals to cos x. The derivative of sin x equals to cos x. So finally the derivative of sin power n minus 1 into x equals to n minus 1 sin power n minus 2 into x into cos x. This is the derivative of sin power n minus 1 into x. Integral sin x already rasam minus cos x dx. Okay, that equals to minus sin power n minus 1 into x into cos x minus and this minus overall plus n minus 1 is the constant integral ముందు రాస్తాం. Okay, next sin power n minus 2 into x cos x into cos x cos square x dx, cos x into cos x cos square x dx. Okay, next again formula of cos square x in trigonometric identity. Sin square x plus cos square x, sin square x plus cos square x equals to 1. So cos square x equals to 1 minus sin square x. Cos square x equals to 1 minus sin square x. So this term is same as to above step from plus n minus 1 integral sin power n minus 2 into x cos square equal 1 minus sin square x dx. The next step, multiply of these two terms. Okay, that equals to minus sin power n minus 1 into x cos x plus n minus 1 into. Okay, multiply of these two terms, multiply with 1 same as this term sin power n minus 2 into x, multiply with 1 same term So integral sin power n minus 2 into x dx. Next middle minus multiply with sin power n minus 2 into x into sin square x. Multiply with sin power n minus 2 into x into sin square x. Already I told you sin x is the base. In these two terms are product, the powers are add. The powers are add. So base is sin x, powers n minus 2 plus 2 is the add. Minus 2 plus 2 is that cancel. Finally sin power nx. Finally integral sin power nx dx is the remaining. Okay. In clearly observe first step, integral sin power nx dx equals to in. Integral sin power nx dx equal to in. The power n, so this can be let in. The power is n minus 2. In replace n by n minus 2. This term is in minus 2. Can write that equal minus sin power n minus 1 into x cos x plus n minus 1 into sin power n minus 2. n unte n rasam, power n minus 2. This term same as to in minus 2 minus same as this term repeat sin power nx dx, that equals in, that equals to in. Next again multiply of these two terms, multiply with n minus 1 into first term and again n minus 1 of next term, that equal to minus sin power n minus 1 into x cos x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2 minus of, next again multiply with n minus 1 into in, n minus 1 into in. The next step, this is in term, in, this one is also in term, this one is also in term. So in, this term from left to right side, sign is changed, minus is plus, minus is changed to plus, plus n minus 1 into in. Next remaining the same term, there is no change, minus sin power n minus 1 into x cos x plus n minus 1 in minus 2, n minus 1 in minus 2. So in is the common, the remaining term 1 plus n minus 1, 1 plus n minus 1 minus sin power n minus 1 into x cos x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2. Okay, so 1 minus 1 is cancelled, in equal minus sin power n minus 1 into x cos x by n, and remaining term n, in into n equal to plus n minus 1 in minus 2. The final step, want the value of in equals to minus sin power n minus 1 into x cos x by n plus n minus 1 by n in minus 2. This is the final answer. Minus sin power n minus 1 into x cos x by n plus n minus 1 by n in minus 2. ఓకే అండి, ఒక్కసారి మనం చెక్ చేస్తే దిస్ ఈజ్ గివెన్ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆన్సర్. జస్ట్ మనం 11 స్టెప్స్లో కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి. 11 స్టెప్స్లో కంప్లీట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇంకా మనకి బాగా అలవాటు అయితే ఇంకో స్టెప్ని మనం రిమూవ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే అండి. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ సైన్, వన్స్ అగైన్ రిపీట్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ in equals sin power nx dx. Sin power nx dx can be written as sin power n minus 1 into x sin x. Next, this is the integration by parts formula. F of x g, integral f of x g of x dx equal f of x integral g of x dx minus integral f dash of x integral g of x dx all dx. Okay. Next, sin power f of x sin power n minus 1 into x integral g of x sin x minus derivative of f of x and integral of g of x second term sin x formula of integral sin x minus cos x, this is also same derivative of sin power n minus 1 into x derivative of x power of n into x power of n minus 1 n into x power of n minus 1. ఇక్కడ మన sin x ని x అనుకున్నాం, ఇన్నర్ డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ sin x is cos x. ఓకే, సో మైనస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ ప్లస్ n minus 1 ఇంటిగ్రల్ cos x cos square x. In 1a sin square, we know that sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1, cos square x equal to 1 minus sin square x. Multiply of these two terms, sin power n minus 2 into x minus 2 plus 2 is cancelled, sin power nx. Sin power n minus 2 into x can be written as in minus 2, sin power n equals to in. Multiply of these two terms again, we get this step. Next, in is the common of these two terms. The remaining 1 plus n minus 1, 1 minus 1 is get cancelled, n is the product. Next step n is divided. So minus sin power n minus 1 into x cos x by n plus n minus 1 by n in minus 2. This is the final answer. First, next, what are the formulas using in this problem? Once repeat formulas. First one, d by integral of, this is formula of integral of sin x, integral of sin x dx equal to minus cos x plus c. This formula is using. Next, derivative of sin x, derivative of sin x equals to cos x. Next, derivative of x power of n, derivative of x power of n equal to n into x power of n minus 1. This formula is also useful. Sin x integral and sin x derivative and x power of n derivative and trigonometric identity, this is also already written. Next, these three formulas are useful, can solve this problem. These three formulas are useful, solve this problem. Okay, in same as to cos power of n, this same as to cos power of n, same as to cos power of n, just change sin to cos. If in case reduction formula for cos power nx dx, reduction formula for cos power nx dx, in place sin by cos, in case cos power n minus 1 into x cos x, same by parts. Integral of cos x equals sin x, మనకు మరి ఇక్కడ మైనస్ రాదు. నెక్స్ట్, డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ కాస్ ఎక్స్ సేమ్ రిజల్ట్, సేమ్ ఐడెంటిటీ. ఓకే, సో సేమ్ యాజ్ టు కాస్ ఎక్స్ ఆల్సో సేమ్ యాజ్ టు సైన్. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం sin power 4x dx. నెక్స్ట్ sin power 4x dx. Put n equals to 4, put n equals to 4, so I4 equal integral sin power 4x dx. The result of in equals to minus sin power, in equal to minus sin power n minus 1 into x cos x by n plus n minus 1 by n in minus 2. This is in. Put n equals to 4, I4 equals to sin power 4x dx. Put n equals to 4 minus sin power 4 minus 1 3 minus sin cube x cos x minus sin cube x cos x by 4 plus n minus 1 అంటే 3 by 4 I 4 minus 2 2. Again find I2. Again find I2. Put n equals to 2. Put n equals to 2. So n equal 2 minus 1 1. So minus sin x cos x minus sin x cos x by 2 plus n equals to 2 minus 1 1 by 2 I naught. I naught. Value of I naught equals to given in. Put n equals to 0. Put n equals to 0. So integral sin power 0x dx. Anything for 0 equal to 1 dx. Integral of 1 equal to x plus c. Okay, replace I naught value in the above equation. Get IA2 equal to minus sin x cos x by 2 plus 1 by 2 into x plus c. Value of I naught equal to x plus c. In replace I2 value in I4. I4 equal to minus sin cube x cos x minus sin cube x cos x by 4 plus 3 by 4 into value of I2 minus sin x cos x by 2 plus 1 by 2x plus c, that equals to multiply of this term minus sin cube x cos x by 4 multiply plus minus minus 4 into 2 8 minus 3 by 8 sin x cos x multiply with these two and these two also plus 3 into 1 3 by 8 x plus c. This is final answer. Integral sin power 4x dx. This is also same as to cos power 4x also. Up.